In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search emails by date range in Gmail. This is really useful when you know roughly when an email was sent or received, but you don't remember the exact subject line or who sent it. Instead of scrolling endlessly through your inbox, you can jump straight to the right time period and narrow things down in seconds. First, open Gmail in your browser and look towards the top of the screen for the search bar. This is the long box where you normally type in names, subjects, or keywords. Click once inside that search bar so your cursor is active and ready for typing. To search by date, Gmail uses simple search operators. The first one is called before. This tells Gmail to look for emails that arrived before a specific date. To use it, type the word before, followed by a colon and then the date. For example, you would type before 20 to 24, 01 and 001. Make sure there are no spaces between the word, the colon, and the date. When you press enter, Gmail will show you all emails that arrived before January 1st, 2024. The second operator is after. This works in the opposite way. It tells Gmail to show emails that arrived after a particular date. To use it, type after, followed by a colon and the date, like this. After 2023, 12/01. Again, no spaces in between. When you hit enter, Gmail will filter your inbox to only show messages that came in after December 1st, 20. The real power comes when you combine these two together to create a date range. Click in the search bar again, and this time type both operators with a space between them. For example, you might write after 2023 12/01, before 2024 01/01. This tells Gmail to show only the emails that arrived between December 1st, 2023 and January 1st, 2024. Once you press enter, you'll see just the messages from that specific window of time. You can then refine your search even more by adding a keyword, a contact name, or a subject word after your date range. Gmail will apply all of that together so you get very precise results. That's all you need to quickly search emails by date range in Gmail. Click on the search bar, use before with a date, use after with a date, and combine them when you need a specific time period.